How to find Attack on Titan on Crunchyroll. In this video, I'll show you a quick video tutorial for you to be able to watch or find Attack on Titan on Crunchyroll. So the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. But in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So all I have to do first is head straight into Crunchyroll.com's official website, and it does not matter actually if you're on a free basis or on a premium account. It will be depending on which country or region you're in. So let's just go ahead and try to look for it first. Go into the magnifying glass, click that, and from the search box, type in attack, and you should be able to see that right here. So as you can see, this is available on my country or region because I'm located around Asia. But if this is not available on your end, then your method of doing that to view Attack on Titan is to use any reliable VPN that you would like to use. All you have to do is to switch your IP address into a certain country or region where Attack on Titan is available. For example, around Asia, maybe Japan, or anywhere around Asia. So that's the most convenient way for you to find Attack on Titan on Crunchyroll.